Good afternoon, truck guys and gals. It's an update on the Diesel Gladiator project. You know, one of the unfortunate realities of a custom project is that sometimes to make progress you have to take things apart. And so you see the doors are off. You need the doors off to get some other stuff done. The scaffolding is probably the handiest tool. Okay, so what we're doing now is making the transmission tunnel cover, and it intruded into the cab a lot farther than I had imagined. Not very high though, it's only about 8 or 9 inches high. But that's the other thing about custom projects is wherever something needs to go, that's where you got to put it. You know, sometimes there's not a whole lot of choices. You know, like over here we see there's where the steering box ended up. Steering mechanism.